So in this video I'm going to show a little more complex operation. I'm going to try to run 3 trains at the same time. So the layout is powered on, the TIU is powered on. I'm going to then start up the remote control program. Connect up with the TIUs. First engine I'm going to use is the ANS 080 switcher. Start it up. So I have the program set up that if you hold down the shift key when you press the startup or the shutdown buttons, it runs the extended startup and shutdown. So the extended startup is what's running now for this engine. So while that's going on, we'll go start up the other 2 engines that I'm going to use. I'll choose it right here as the SW1200 diesel. Hit startup. And the third engine that I'm going to use is the SW1500 P&LE. So I'm just going to wait for the extended startup on the 080 to finish. Okay. So with the generator whine, the startup is complete. So we're going to head off with this engine to start with, say 10 miles an hour. As soon as that one starts up, we'll get the second engine going, also 10 miles an hour. And then the third engine, 10 miles an hour. Pull them all to a stop here. We'll stop the third engine. And we'll stop the first engine. And run the freight announcements on the second engine. While I get this first engine out of the way so the second one doesn't run into the end of it. Okay, that's fine. And so there it goes. So I like the ANS SW1200. A couple reasons. The freight announcement plugs my hometown of El Equipa, Pennsylvania, and my grandfather used to work for that railroad. So now we're back where all three engines are running 10 miles an hour in line around my track. A few of the other switches on these screens, which I might not have talked about previously. Exhaust is really the smoke if you have a diesel that has the capability to smoke. On the steam engine, it actually says smoke off and on. You can set the smoke level, minimum, medium, maximum. So let me stop the engines again. We'll stop the SW1500 by just shutting it down. We'll stop the SW1200. And we'll stop the switcher. Shut down the switcher, shut down the SW1200, disconnect from the TIU, and exit from the program.